Now, first what we will do is, we all need to understand why we are delivering or why we are giving 30 seconds. Because if that why is not clear na, then क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है, that is very disturbing. So why we are giving 30 seconds, friends? To educate our fellow members. That is the first thing in our BNI. And whatever we do in BNI, we have to implement it in our day-to-day business life also. So consider, when you are talking to your customer or prospective customer or buyer, you have to educate them about your product or about your service. So these 30 seconds are designed for that, to educate either our fellow member or prospective client or any person to whom you are meeting. Now why 30 seconds? As Vaibhav has mentioned, friends, BNI has designed this 30 seconds with the scientific background. ऐसा नहीं है कि सुबह आइवन माइजनर साहब उठे और उनको लगा we should give only 30 seconds. Why not 45? Why not 1 minute? And why not 10 seconds? Friends, whenever you are meeting any new person for the first time, we all know our first impression is the last impression. इनिशियल 30 सेकेंड्स में आप उस बंदे के साथ जितना भी कम्युनिकेट करोगे, उस 30 सेकेंड के ऊपर वो बंदा डिसाइड करेगा whether I have to spare more time for this person. Now, if we have control over our 30 seconds, then we can convince any person in the world. Now, what we have to deliver in 30 seconds? We have to speak about our business. So मुझे लगता है कि रात को भी अगर नींद से किसी को उठाया जाता है तो he should able to speak about his business. क्योंकि धंधा है तो अपन है, धंधा नहीं है तो अपन नहीं है. बट हमारे लिए धंधा है, ये भी ज़रूरी है. So accordingly we have to create those 30 seconds. Now what should be the structure of this 30 seconds? Very basic things, few basic things. Your name should be there in that 30 seconds. Your business name should be there. Your specific product category should be there. Success story, your business success story has to be there. Now, what happens? Now, what should not be there? What we are going to do today na, we will talk more about what should not be there. Because क्या होता है ना, 30 सेकेंड मिलता है तो लोग सब कुछ उसमें डालने का कोशिश करते हैं कि मैं कैसे मेरा बिजनेस सामने वाले को एक्सप्लेन करूं. एंड उस चीज़ में हम लोग बहुत कुछ गलत चीज़ें करते हैं. जैसे कि लेट्स कंसिडर आई एम गिविंग माई 30 सेकेंड एंड आई एम यूजिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ड, forging or sand blasting, or let's say deep draw. Now there are many people sitting in this chamber also or outside in the market जिन्हें ये टेक्निकल चीज़ें ज़्यादा समझ में आती नहीं है. So we should not use this very highly technical words. We have to explain our business in a very simple manner. Now, most important thing, friends, we are in BNI and we know the BNI का basic structure और basic अपना bottom line क्या है. We are here for farming. We are here not for hunting. Simple है. 30 seconds should be, आप सामने वाले को कुछ मांग रहे हो, ऐसा 30 सेकेंड कभी भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Our 30 seconds should always target on solving the problem of the person who is standing in front of us. Like we will give example of Bhagwan sir. What he delivers in his 30 seconds, आपके बाद अगर आपके फैमिली को सिक्योर करना है तो हम हैं. पिक्चर इज वेरी क्लियर, सामने वाले को भी समझ जाता है व्हाई ही इज व्हाट ही इज एक्चुअली डिस्कसिंग और इसमें मेरा प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व होने वाला है. Our President Aniket always mentioned, we want to make sure that this environment is clear so that we can breathe a fresh air. We all need this fresh and breathable environment. Without that, we cannot going to sustain. So what they are trying to do, they are pitching their business, but at the same time, what they are doing, they are trying to understand the problem of the customer or the person who is standing in front of it, and they are delivering the solution. Friends, please make a point. Everyone is interested in solution for their situation. Nobody is bothered what exactly you are selling till the point he is not interested. So please make it a note that your 30 seconds should be a problem solver and it should be a educational speech for the पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. एजुकेशन मतलब हमें कुछ MBA या फिर मास्टर्स का कोई लेक्चर नहीं देना है. वी हैव टू टेल likewise. See, where I delivered my 30 seconds, what I include, we have our own hot dip galvanizing plant, we have 100% in-house facility. So I'm trying to convince the person in front of me that boss, you can trust on us. You have to use these words. If you are in business for past more than 30 years, 50 years, 40 years, that is a legacy. कोई भी बंदा खड़ा होकर नींद से उठ के 30-30 साल का धंधा नहीं चला सकता है. So when you are saying that boss, I am in the business for 25 years, वहाँ पे लोगों का आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है और वो बिल्ड होना चाहिए. नाउ इन 30 seconds you have to deliver your success story, a short success story. It could be a मैंने 1 करोड़ का ऑर्डर उठा लिया. It could be a भगवान सर कैन से मैंने एक बंदे को पॉलिसी दिया था, अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो नहीं था पर उसके फैमिली को मैंने 1 करोड़ रुपया दिला दिया. अनिकेत सर कैन मेंशन लाइक वी हैव टेकन आउट 1 ton ऑफ डस्ट जो एटमॉस्फेयर में जाने वाला था. प्रमोद सर कैन टेल अस दैट आवर वॉल्स मेक श्योर दैट देयर विल बी नो कंटामिनेशन, जीरो कंटामिनेशन. लाइक पाटिल साहब हमारे बोलते हैं कि हम हमारा कंप्रेसर सर्विस जो देते हैं उसमें 30% पैसे की बचत होती है. दिस आर द हाईलाइट्स एंड दैट विल क्रिएट अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर योर फर्दर कम्युनिकेशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट exactly you have to not deliver again. 30 seconds should be crisp 30 seconds. You have 8 minutes for us in our BNA format. Okay, so I believe that I think the idea of 30 seconds is clear for all and we will deliver a best 30 seconds. Thank you.